Math question number 16. Consider the following statement. M represents Edna is respectful. N represents Edna is brilliant. If M implies N, which of the following is valid? So just to help you answer this question, if I were you, I would just switch it up a little bit. So let me just give you a language structure that will help you understand the implication. So let's say we switch this up a little bit and represent and use M to say that Edna is from Nigeria, and N to represent that Edna is from Africa. So if you look at this now, it's more like saying in math language that M is a subset of N, sort of. So if someone is from Nigeria, it automatically means that person is from Africa. You don't need to ask that person, are you from Africa? If someone tells you he's from Nigeria, you don't need to ask that person whether he's from Africa. But then if someone tells you that he's from Africa, you need to ask, are you from Kenya? Are you from Zimbabwe? Are you from South Africa? Where are you from? So, but automatically, if someone tells you it's Nigeria, it automatically implies that it's from Africa. So let's bring this statement to this question. So someone can be from Africa but not be from Nigeria, but somebody cannot be from Nigeria and be from Africa. So let's bring this to this statement. Now, all these small signs here, this minus signs here mean negation. So negation of this statement, does we are looking at which of these statements is valid. So in this case now, if you negate the fact, if you ask someone and the person says he's from Europe, there's no possibility that person is from Nigeria. So negation, once this fact is negated, then it means this other one is also negated. If someone is not from Africa, he cannot be from Nigeria. But someone can be from Africa and not be from Nigeria. So which of these following statements is valid? So let's look at this one. Does negation of N also imply negation of N in this case? So when we say somebody is not from Africa, does it also imply that that person cannot be from Nigeria? Yes, this is correct. Now, when we say that somebody is not from Nigeria, does it mean that there's no possibility that that person is from Africa? No. Somebody may not be from Nigeria, but he's still from Africa because there are so many other countries in Africa. So then we have N implies minus M. So if someone is from Africa, is there any possibility? If can someone be from Africa without being okay? If someone is from Africa, does that imply that that person must not be from Nigeria? So let's look at this one again. If someone is from Africa, does that in any way imply that that person must not be from Nigeria? No. If someone is from Africa, there's a possibility that it's from Nigeria. Then if this one, I think this one may be a mistake. I don't know, but this is just exactly what we were giving here. So maybe this this negation of M implies negation of N. And if that is the case, if someone is not from Nigeria, is it possible that that person can be from? Does not being Nigeria imply being from Africa? No, it doesn't imply being from Africa. So the only option that will be correct here is here. Not being from Africa automatically implies not being from Nigeria. I don't know whether this helps you to understand this. This is not the typical way of teaching it, but just I feel this example can help you understand the question and answer it better.